Hello everyone. First of all, let me say that this new product hottest lifestyle business for internet marketers overloaded in 2022 very profitable me. Helped tremendously so far and enrollment could not be happier. I am extremely difficult to please and as I am satisfied, I know that it will also stay and the 60 the guarantee of repocket. 2 days really helped me decide to take a look and with this said before going into this whole buying process, I tried to find the link online and happily managed to find a great discount, and if you want to receive the same discount and of course save a lot of money process, I really hope this video have helped you, and I also hope that ROI tips really helps. Whether you are a sales organization, a construction company, a healthcare provider, an e-commerce seller or a manufacturer, consistent growth is essential to your success. At ROI Tips, we enable entrepreneurs like you to focus on your specialty while helping to expand your audience and maximize your results. Click the link in the description I've attached below for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Click the link in description bar below.